Hi friends, welcome back new video. In this video I am sharing to you the details of how to remove or replace the ink cartridges of Canon TS3440 model printer. TS3440 is one of the best all-in-one printer from Canon brand. It has print, copy, scan and wireless functions.
Okay, let's see where is the ink cartridges and how to replace the ink cartridges of this printer. First, connect the power cable into the socket of the back side of the printer. After that, turn on the printer. Press on the power button and wait few seconds for the printer initializing process. When the printer is ready to use, you can see 0 on the display.
Next, open this access door. If it opens the access door, ink carriage will come and stop in the front side of the printer. Please note, when this door opens, if the printer is off, the ink carriage will not come like this. Do not hold the carriage to stop or move it forcibly. Do not touch the carriage until it stops completely. On the access door is indicated by the picture where the black and color carriage should be placed. It is mandatory to put the black on the right side and the color on the left side of the carriage. Otherwise, the printer will not work. Also indicated the number of the carriage to be used. 445 and 446 is given here. Therefore, this printer will work only with this number carriages. Next, let's see how to remove these carriages from this carriage. First, push down the ink carriage lock lever of the carriage until it clicks. Then, pull the ink carriage toward you to remove it. Black carriage is removed now. Next, color carriage also same procedure. Push down the ink carriage lock lever of the carriage, then pull to out. Both carriages are removed now.
If you are a new viewer of this channel, like and subscribe this channel and click on the bell button to receive notification of new uploaded videos.
This is the new ink carriages of this printer. 445 black. Ink capacity of this carriage 8 ml, that means 180 pages capacity. Next, 446 color carriage. Ink capacity of this carriage 9 ml, that means 180 pages capacity. The expiry date of the ink carriage is also indicated in this box. Therefore, always check the date before buying the carriage. Take a new carriage out of its package and remove the protective tape gently.
Let's see how to insert the carriage. First, black. Insert the carriage and just right into the carriage holder. Then push up the ink carriage lock lever until it clicks. Next, the color carriage also the same procedure. Insert the carriage and then push up the ink carriage lock lever. Please note, the color carriage should be installed into the left slot and the black carriage should be installed into the right slot. Please note, the printer cannot print unless both the color carriage and black carriage are installed. Be sure to install both carriages. Both carriages are inserted. Finally, close the access door.
This video winding up now. If you have any doubts or need to know anything more about this video, comment on this video. See you on next video. Thanks friends. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.